Hi, this is a video tutorial on how to configure your MailChimp API. Settings for MailChimp can be found under MailChimp for WP tab. Now, if you click on MailChimp, then here in API settings you need to enter the API. To find this API, you need to click on this URL. Get your API link here. Then you need to log in your MailChimp, and it's already logged in. And then under your API keys, here is the option to create a key. Once you create a key, this key will appear. Just copy it and paste it here. Then click on Save Changes. Now once the MailChimp API is entered, then the status is green and connected. So this means that your MailChimp is connected. Now once your MailChimp is connected, then it will show you the list of all the MailChimp lists that are on your account. Now suppose I want to use this test MailChimp API. What a list is that, like suppose there is a form, suppose you have created a form on Kingwood website. Now the name of that list will be something like Kingwood subscribers, and that form that appears on the Kingwood website, the emails that user enters in that Kingwood website will be added to the list that is in the MailChimp, that is under the list that you have created for Kingwood. So let me create a list for this. I need to go to MailChimp, then click on lists, then it will open this page. Click on create list. Click on save. Now this list has been added, the Kingwood subscribers. Then click on renew MailChimp lists. So the list has been updated, and this is the new list that I have created, the Kingwood subscribers. Now the form that I create and the user email will be populated in this list, Kingwood subscribers. Now once you have created the list or selected the list, then you need to go to forms. So this is the form. First thing you need to do is create some fields. These are the fields that will be shown in the form. First is street address, email address, phone. These are the fields. If I want to add more fields, then click on add more fields. Then it shows the list, the instructions for that. You need to go to MailChimp account and click on the list. I'll do this. In this list, under settings, there is list fields and merge tags. Click on this link. So here is the list of all the fields. If I want to add some fields like address and any other fields, I can add that. The field type will be text. This is the field, and I'll rename it to address. If I want, I can make it require field, or I can leave it as is. You need to make sure that the tag, this is a proper tag, in caps, and then click on save. Now once you add a field, then if I click on refresh, okay, I see that I have not selected this list. So in the settings, you need to select the list. There are like many settings for this form. Like, let me show you. The first thing is the list settings, to which list this user will be subscribed, and after that there is a double opt-in. So what double opt-in does is like once you fill the form, it sends you another email like please like click on this URL to confirm your email address. So that is a double opt-in. If you want, you can add it, or you can skip that part. Update existing subscribers. If the subscribers, suppose I entered the form twice but with the different data, then this, if I say add it to no, then it will not update me, but if I set it to yes, then it will update me. And after that, hide form after successful sign up. You need to make sure that it is no. And there is a redirect URL. If you want to redirect it to some URL, then you can enter the URL here. After that, click on save changes. Okay, so to this form, the subscriber, the list is assigned. Now if I click on fields, it will show me the list of all the fields. Now if you want to make sure that the MailChimp data is imported, or like is updated in the WordPress website, then you need to like go to MailChimp, and then click on renew MailChimp list, or here under form variables, under add more fields, you need to click on this button, renew MailChimp list. Once you have done this, then the changes that you have made here, like I have added the address field, it will show here. So this field I can add it in my form. So here this field has been added. Okay, so once my form is like finalized, I can save it. There are also some messages that you can edit, like the thank you message, the invalid email address, and so on. You can like customize the message for this. So once all the MailChimp is configured, you need to like add this form to a landing page. For that, there is this link, landing pages. There is one landing page that is already created, or you can either create a new one also. So these are all the changes that you can like these are all the settings that you can add in a landing page. First is the title. Then the background image type, if the background image, you can add it as a image or a video. If you enter as a video, then you need to enter the YouTube video ID. Or if you are adding image, then you need to click on upload image and then enter the image URL. YouTube ID is basically the ID that comes after the URL. So like suppose this is the video. Then if I click on this video, then this is the ID after v equal to this thing. This is the email ID that is starting from I. Any string that is after equal to this small thing. So this is the video ID. If you want, you can add image also. This is the title, pop-up content, form data, and then this is the form shortcode. Test form. This is the form that I have created in the MailChimp. The forms here. So this is the test form. You need to make sure that this form is selected here, and then you can position the form from left to right. If I click on view this URL,